From the hundreds of visitors to your website, how many call you and want to buy something? 4, 6, or maybe even 10? But what if you could have twice as many incoming calls from your clients? How will it increase your sales? Today, it's possible by using the widget Callpage. Our widget, in real time, analyzes user behaviors on your website. Then, when it sees an interested visitor, he offers him a free callback in 28 seconds. Check how it works. The interested visitor leaves your phone on your site. Our widget calls to the first manager's mobile phone, but if he for some reason does not answer, the widget calls the next manager, who picks up the phone to close the deal. After the conversation, the client will receive an SMS with gratitude and contacts of the manager, and the manager will be able to listen to a recorded conversation in his CRM. As a result, you get satisfied customers who got the wow effect of your service and doubling number of calls from customers, hence doubling sales. And with zero effort on your part, set a widget to your site takes less than 10 minutes. Try Callpage right now. Install Callpage on your site and delight your customers by first-class service.